3 eggs, 75 grams sugar. Beat well until fluffy. One teaspoon vanilla essence. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Mix for 30 seconds.
$75 all-purpose flour.
A half teaspoon baking powder. Mix softly and only in one direction. Grease the pan and spread butter paper. Add cake batter. 250-gram whipping cream. Beat well until stiff peak forms. Remove butter paper. Cut in 3 parts. Apply whipping cream. Pour sugar syrup. Apply whipping cream. Again, pour sugar syrup. Apply whipping cream. Pour sugar syrup. Apply whipping cream.